Did your Tabby payment fail, but the money was still deducted? Don't panic, here's how to fix it fast. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick guide, I'll show you what to do when your Tabby payment fails, but your money gets deducted. Let's solve it step by step. Step 1. First, check your bank or card statement to confirm the payment was actually processed and not just a pending charge. Step 2. Open the Tabby app and go to the My Payments section to see if your payment status has been updated. Step 3. If the payment is still marked as failed or pending, wait up to 24 hours. Sometimes, Tabby updates payments automatically after a delay. Step 4. If nothing changes, take a screenshot of your bank deduction and open the Tabby app. Step 5. Tap on Help or go to the Support section and choose the payment in question. Step 6. Use the live chat or contact form to report the issue. Upload your screenshot and explain that money was deducted but the payment shows as failed. Step 7. Tabby support will usually investigate and either confirm your payment or refund the amount within a few working days. Tip: always use a stable internet connection during checkout and ensure your card has enough balance to avoid payment glitches. Did this fix help? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more fast fixes. Thanks for watching.